This video is going to be just a little bit more on balancing equations. I call skeleton equations, so not from words, but equations kind of already given. You just have to put coefficients into balance. So a quick review here. Remember, things on the left-hand side of the arrow are the reactants. Things over here are the products, things produced in the reaction. And whatever atoms are over here, are going to be over here. We want them to be equal. So we're going to balance these out a little bit. Screen's a little crooked, sorry. So let's put coefficients in there. It's a lot of multiplication as you're doing this, not a whole lot of addition. So if we go here, remember that's our equal sign. Now I can start from the beginning. You have one aluminum right there. Remember that 3 is telling you the subscript there is 3, telling you there's 3 bromines. There's only one aluminum, and there's one aluminum being produced over there. Here we've got 3 bromines, and there's only 1 bromine. Okay, now you just can't put a 3 back there. That's not how that compound gets together. That's got 1 valence electron, that's got 7. They get together based on their electrons. So we're going to put a 3 out in front of there, which triples everything in that compound. It means you have 3 molecules of KBr. So you have a KBr, a KBr, and a KBr. So that means we also have 3 potassiums. So we're going to put a 3 out in front of there. Gives us 3 potassiums. I think everything's equal. So really, that's a 1 in there. You have 1 molecule of aluminum bromide reacting with 3 atoms of potassium to make 3 molecules of KBr plus 1 atom of aluminum. You can put ones in those blanks if you want to. We usually leave them blank though. Second one here. Again, I start at the beginning. You have 1 Fe and 1 Fe on that side. So we'll keep those equal. Remember, that's your equal sign. 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. 1 PD, 1 PD, 2 Fs, 2 Fs. This equation is balanced. Just a 1, 1, 1, 1. So everything is equal there. Next one here, you got 4 phosphoruses, and that means 4 bonded phosphoruses, which is a little bit weird, but 4 of them bonded. Otherwise, there'd be a 4 out in front of that. 2 bonded bromine atoms make a PBr3. Well, if I start with phosphorus, I put a 4 out in front of there. That gives me 4 Ps there and 4 Ps there. 4 times 3 is 12 bromines. So 2 times 6 is 12 bromines there. We're getting that 6 molecules of Br2. So you have 1 of those reacting with 6 of those to make 4 of those. Your individual atoms are equal. 4 Ps, 4 Ps, 12 bromines, 12 bromines. Next one down here, you have 1 lithium being produced, 1 chlorine, 2 chlorines being made. So let's put a 2 out in front of that to double our chlorines. Well, that also doubled our lithium, so let's put a 2 back over here to get our lithiums equal. So that 2 means we have 2 lithiums and 2 bromines. There you got 2 bromines. 2 lithiums, 2 chlorines. There you got 2 chlorines. So 2, 1, 2, 1 in the blanks right there. Let me go down a little bit. So let's go with this one. You got 1 cobalt and 2 cobalts over there. So I'm going to double this to get myself to 2 cobalts. Look what that does to my bromines. There were 3 of them. We just doubled it. So there's now 6 bromines. And over here, there's only 2. So to get that to 6, I'm going to need to triple this. So 3 out in front of there. That gives me 3 calciums. Again, the 2 is only with bromine. 3 calciums. And right here is only 1 calcium. So I'm going to triple this to get to 3 calciums. If you can do polyatomic ions as a group, do them as a group. So here you have 3 of this SO4 group. If there's not parentheses, that means there is only 1 of that group, but we tripled it. So that's 3 of that group. There's 3 of that group. We are equal. Okay, we are balanced there. Do 1 more here. 3 NAs and only 1 NA, so let me triple that to get to 3 NAs. 1 phosphorus, 2 phosphoruses. I'm going to have to double this to get my phosphoruses equal. Well, that just doubled my sodium, so I got to go back and change this. So sometimes that happens. 3 sodiums, but we doubled it, would be 6. 1 sodium times 6 gives me 6 NAs. That gives me 6 fluorines, and right there is only 2 fluorines. So I need to triple this to get to 6 fluorines. 3 calciums. 3 calciums there, the 3 out in front. 2 p's, 2 p's. I think we are good. Okay, we are good right there. All right, I'm just going to stop at that. So as you're trying to balance these, work your way from one side to the other. Remember, it's always multiplication. We're not trying to add typically as you're going through them.